the fans. Request the photographers to please sit down. They've had their moment. Now let the videographers get the shot on the cameras as well. Vivek Sharma once again has put together this wonderful image of Sachin Tendulkar in this world's largest digital mosaic. Sachin, first of all, thank you once again for coming out here, gracing us with your presence. Always, always great to see you. You're looking fit, you're looking healthy. First of all, when you see this wonderful photo mosaic of yours, you've broken all the records in the world, but we've broken a record on this stage as well, with the fans creating the world's largest digital photo mosaic of a cricketer. It's got to make you feel good.
Yeah, I think when Mr. Warke told me that from January they've had this contest, We Are Sachin, and here I see We Love Sachin, which makes it even better. It's really touching, it's moving to see such a terrific response, and over 17,000 photographs are put together to make my face, and in the background you see tricolor. I mean, it cannot be better than that. So I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Toshiba for this campaign, and above all, thank all the well-wishers who've stood behind me for 24 years. And whatever I've been able to achieve, the way I've been able to play, is because of their good wishes, their support, and it has given me the strength to achieve various things in life. Whatever I have been able to achieve on the field is thanks to all my well-wishers. So this mosaic picture of mine makes it even more special because it's filled with love.
It's also filled with the eyes of yours, which have been portrayed like the eyes of a tiger by the artist Vivek Sharma, equating you to a tiger. How does it feel to be equated to a tiger?
Well, just 2-3 days ago, I spent a lot of time with lions around in Gir Forest. So now I'll be spending more time with tiger eyes here. So it's a nice combination to have. But I really like the entire mosaic finish photograph of mine, as well as the eyes. I'm really looking forward to having a closer look at the actual mosaic work, which would be really fascinating. And Tiger Eyes, I mean, Eye of the Tiger, that's one of my favorite songs.
Certainly is. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Can you give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Always a pleasure to meet the master. Thank you so much, Sachin, for giving us your time and being out here with us. It's been great having you associated with Toshiba over the years. And to all the members of the press now, if you can take your finale photographs if you'd like. Lunch will be served after this outside. Thank you so much for coming out here and gracing this wonderful afternoon. Sachin standing next to the Pro Theatre, 84-inch, fantastic TV set. Want to get one of these home. All right, thank you so much, members of the press. The lunch is being served outside. Thank you, Sachin, for being out here. Thank you all.